Hey guys, this is Dave. This time I wanted to mention why is it so important to get the lighting right. To achieve the highest level of quality as well as get the exposure right, you really need good light in your studio, or no matter what you're filming, you really want to achieve the highest quality, therefore you want to use some sort of lighting. So today I want to show you my light setup and want to show you some of the tricks I'm using to get my lights in my studio right. So I'm gonna switch on a few of my lights and see the difference. In just few seconds you will see how much difference it makes if everything is well lit. And here we are back again, so you can see how much difference it makes if the lighting is correctly set up. The exposure is right, the quality of the image is so much higher. If you can keep your ISO settings as low as possible, your picture quality will be so much higher. And yes, I'm controlling everything over an application. I'm using the Neewer LED light, and I want to show you, quickly unbox it. I want to show you what is it coming with in a box and how to set up quickly. I'm using the Neewer light stands, but if you have any sort of light stands you can use it because it's so versatile. So yeah, quickly jump into the unboxing and I'm gonna mention a couple of important information about this light.